US indices throughout the day has been trading in a very narrow zone. All the indices hitting the highs. You've seen a little struggle on the upside. While you can say that the bulls are exhausted here, but at the same time, important thing to note that the bears are not present at all. When I say not present, I have hardly seen a strong bearish momentum here in the US indices. So, can we expect it to trade bullish with the moderate momentum on the upside, or it is going to crash here waiting for a breakout? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading the S&P, Nasdaq, and Dow? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis on multiple time frames and logical reasoning for you to take a trade at a particular price point and trade with confidence and trade with profits. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into S&P, followed with Nasdaq in the end Dow. What's up with S&P? You can see a greater resistance here at 5980 levels. You can see multiple candles failing to break past by. After this, we have seen a good decline, but at the same time, 5960 it is yet to break below, and this is the zone it has to come out of. What is happening after this? After this drop, it is retracing. Very important for it to trade beyond 5985 levels. So ideally, we have to wait for it to break beyond 5982 in order to confirm further rise. Why this drop was here? Possibly to take the support from the 20 period moving average. Let's see further. Stock indicators have certainly cooled down significantly despite any clearer move here on the downside. Look at the two on the 2 hour chart. Similar observation. Only thing here is look at the flat top and then this breakout. This suggests that there could be a third candle which can take the prices towards 5950, 5940. Now see, till 5920 levels today, I will not treat S&P as bear. Can it move towards 5920? There is a possibility, but ideally, I will not treat this as bearish still here. It can bounce back, recover strongly. Yes, indicators have cooled down. Look at the MACD crossing over at the top without any significant movement here in the prices. The MACD has cooled down significantly. And the RSI has also come out of the overbought zone here. Likewise, on the 3 hour charts, remember flat top breakout second candle might be there. If you see it is staying below 5960, you can take a sell, expect 595040, 3020 till 5920. Every 10 points you can place or trail your stop loss with. The stochastic has dropped. MACD has just crossed over here. Trading with slight divergence suggests there could be further bearishness. RSI overbought, and on the observation here on the 4 hour charts is same. See, after a reversal sign, it is trading bearish with the flat top first candle. There could be a second candle here. Possibility is there, but right now the prices are not very much supportive of such a stronger move. Let it trade below 5940, 5920 zone, and then we can expect a move towards 5900, 5880 as a greater support. Indicators have cooled down. MACD was on the verge of a crossover. Coming to the daily charts, important thing to note here is the diminishing bullishness. However, see, while the bullish appear to be exhausted, but I can see there is hardly any bears present here. Thus, it is very important for it to trade below 5940, 5920 zone. That will confirm the reversal, and then we can confirm a move towards 5860, 5840 zone, which is going to remain sharper support. And see, this is not going to happen in a day or two. It may take time, but yes, this is possible that once it stays below 5920 levels, more bearishness is definitely going to. Yes, the MACD is overbought, but look at stochastic is overbought, but look at the MACD crossing over here at the bottom, trading with divergence suggestive of bullishness RSI drop. So looking at this, very clear, buy at 5982 only, expect it to move towards 5990 and 6004, 6014. While on the downside, the selling entries on 5967 levels, expect 596260 first target, 595048 second, and then 5940 the third. If at any point of time S&P trades below 5940, stay short for 5920, 5900. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. What's happening on Tech 100 is just replica of what we have seen on S&P. 21,150 greater support zone, 21,100, 080 greater support. So this is the zone. It has given a breakout, and now it has already moved towards 21,000, the next milestone. Now very important for it to break below 21,000 in order to confirm further bearishness. What is happening on the hourly charts? A drop or retracement. Possibly a move towards 21,100 can be seen, and hitting the zone, there could be again a correction here. Yes, I will still not say that it is turning bullish as long as 21,150 is not taken. Indicators on the hourly charts have dropped significantly and have cooled down to a support level. On the 2 hour charts, likewise, see possibilities there: rise, consolidation, rise, retracement. And now, once it breaks out beyond 21,150, there is no other point, there is no other way to profit. Just buy here and expect it to move towards 21,200, 240, and 300 levels at the next. Though what has happened here, it has come down to take the support from the 20 period, but I can see it has to drop below 21,000 and then 20,950 in order to confirm further bearishness towards 2900, 880, and then 2800. Indicators have certainly cooled down, but look at the MACD crossing over here at the top. It is not much of room available on the downside, which means still do not treat this as bullish as long as 21,150 is not taken today. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Look at the 3 hour charts. First red candle after a bit of consolidation here, and second is possible hitting lower highs. We can see a reversal and a movement towards 2900, 880, or 2800 can also be seen. Indicators have cooled down. MACD is on the verge of a crossover after a significant rise. It is on the verge of a crossover. This can lead to significant drop here. RSI overbought, trying to cool down. Coming to 4 hour. Now, see, it is possible for Tech 100 to break this zone on the upside and give a breakout candle and show a massive move towards 21,200. But ideally, this should not be the case, though the situations are very much conducive for a correction here. But right now, I will say it is not conducive for such a breakout. But yes, if you see a breakout, there is no other point, there is no other way to profit. Again, I am repeating it, you have to just buy. But I will say that possibility of a reversal still exists, and a drop below 21,000, 20,080 should be a good confirmation of further bearishness here. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is on the verge of a crossover here as well. And on the 4 hour charts, when you see, the observation is more or less same. Look at the formation here, top symmetrical two candles, and the next candle was strongly bullish. This can be strongly bearish. Where it can head to, it can in fact head towards 2800 levels. Possibilities there. But right now, the environment, the factors, and the situation is not very much conducive of such a sharp drop. However, these are markets. RSI overbought and indicators are overbought here. Coming to and before we proceed to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, with easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video. Now see, on the daily charts, very important for you to notice that it is giving a breakout here on the upside, and see, it is staying outside Bollinger Bands. Now this is not a good thing for the bands here and the price here, because see, the farther it moves away from the Bollinger Bands and stays outside of the Bollinger Bands, there is going to be a severe pressure for it to fall back within the bands here. Now where the top end of the band is at 21,000 levels, and it is definitely going to be difficult for Tech 100 to keep on rising here. Only bullish confirmation once it stays beyond 21,200, 240, you can say. Now there is no looking back for Tech 100. We can look forward to 21,300 and in fact 21,400 levels. Right now, I'll say I'll not be in the support of such a stronger rise. The stochastic overbought, the MACD rising, the RSI top. Looking at this, only buying entry today I will recommend is at 120 levels, where you can expect 21,150, 160 first target, 21,200 second, and 21,240, 250 the third. If these three levels are taken, just close your eyes, stay bullish. 21,300, 350, 400, anything is possible. These are markets. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now. It's at around 21,020. Expect 29,7950 first, 2900, 880 second, and 2800 as the third target. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to Dow. See, DJ30 on the early charts consolidating here in the zone. What is happening after the drop is staying in the box. Let it come out of this box. Very important for DJ30 to break beyond 43,880, 43,900 zone. Beyond this, 44,000 is a certainty here. And thus we have to wait for either for it to trade below 43,700, 670, or trade beyond 43,900. This zone is going to remain critical, and looking at the support it is getting here on the downside, I think the neither the bulls nor the bears are present here. We have to wait for it to take a direction as of now. Stochastic rising, the indicators have certainly cooled down on the minor time frames, while on the 2 hour charts, look at the formation, the drop, the consolidation. Wait for a breakout. 43,820, 30 you can buy, but then 43,850, 860, 880, 900 till 43,900 greater support exists here. Resistance exists here. Beyond 43,900, stay bullish. It can in fact hit 44,000. Stochastic rising, MACD traded bearish, RSI has just come out of the overbought zone. Look at the 3. The observation on the 3-hour charts is more or less same. Let it break either on the upside or on the downside. Right now, the movement is very much confined within the zone. Too much of divergence, though it is waiting for the 20 period to climb up significantly. Right now, it is positioned at 43,500, 43,700 levels. Indicators, MACD has crossed over. This is a bearish sign here. RSI is overbought. So indicators are certainly staying overbought, but the price is not willing to give up. However, look at the formation, lower highs, preceding candle, a red candle, and now if it stays below 43,740, stay short for 43,700, 670, any point of time, breaking beyond 43,670, expect 43,600. And in fact, 43,400 is also possible. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossing over, RSI overbought here. Coming to daily. On the daily chart, similar observation. Look at the preceding candle comes with a moderate body. Today higher lows, which means it can give a breakout. Any movement beyond 44,000, just stay bullish. Just stay bullish for 44,200 and in fact plus level. Anything and everything is possible. These are markets. Though I am still very much not in support for such a rise, but yes, these are markets. Again, you have to respect it. Any breakout beyond 44,000 is a very good sign for further bullishness. Overbought stochastic, MACD and RSI. Looking at this, buy at 43,830, expect 43,860, 43,880, 900. Beyond 43,900 is stay bullish for 44,000, 44,000, 080, 44,000, 44,200 as the next targets. Beyond 44,200, close your eyes. No looking back till 44,400, 500. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 43,740, expect 43,670, 700 first target, breaking below which you can expect 43,600 the next, and if it stays below 43,600, stay short for 43,400. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join the free telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do not miss to watch the weekly reviews tomorrow. Have a great profitable trading day and a happy weekend.